Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Thanks for answering my call.
Hey, absolutely. Thanks for calling in. What can I do for you?
So, I've been watching you on TikTok, and I love all your advice, so I thought I would call in. I've been losing weight since March. So, I've lost I was 220, and now I'm 160. So, I've lost quite a bit of weight. But I'm kind of stalling right now. I haven't really been able to. My goal is to be 150, and I've been kind of at that 160 mark for like a month now.
Hold on. So you're saying you've been doing all this, tracking your calories, eating real food, and this is the weight loss you've had?
Yeah.
Let's go. You started at what?
220.
220, and you're 160 now?
I'm 161.
But 40. That's awesome. You're down 60 freaking pounds since March?
Yeah, well, I started really heavily in March, and I was 220 in March. So yeah.
I love it. Thanks for the freaking update. Congrats on that. So, this is my favorite when people come out of nowhere. They're like, hey, I started doing this and these are results I got. Like, it's just a reminder of why I'm doing this. Like, I am actually helping people. Like, so I can't thank you enough for calling me.
Oh, well, thank you for all your advice. It's really helpful.
So let me ask you, have you recalculated the calories?
I haven't, I don't really know how often you're supposed to be doing it. So
you haven't done it?
I haven't done it in a while.
Okay,
no.
Awesome. So yeah, we gotta do that. 100%. That is freaking amazing. Congrats.
Thank you.
What made you? I love asking people this question. What made you do this? Did you find me on TikTok?
Yeah, I did find you on TikTok. Well, I've been wanting to lose weight for a while, and I just kind of reached a point where I just had enough. So I just started really being more serious about tracking. And, I just decided I needed a change. And then, when you start seeing results, it feels good.
Were you under eating before?
I was eating a lot of sweets. But yeah, I think I was. I've definitely been eating a lot more since I started my weight loss journey, which is wild.
How many calories?
I eat a lot more.
How many calories were you doing when you started doing this?
I think it was I don't really remember. I have to go back and look. I think I was doing
2,000.
Yeah, 2,000, 19 something, 19, something like that.
That's awesome. All right, so how old are you?
I'm 35.
35. How tall?
5'5".
And then you're 160 now. And then are you working out?
Yeah, I am. I am working out anywhere between 3 to 4 times a week.
Are you doing weights and cardio or just weights?
I'm doing primarily, that's also a change that I've done. I've been doing more just solely weights now and skipping the cardio.
So that's one thing why you're not seeing that's why you're not seeing the change on the scale anymore. It's because you're lifting weights now. Because now we're building up muscle, losing body fat at the same time. That's why you're not seeing the changes on the scale.
Oh, that makes sense. I mean, people tell me that I look great,
Hell yeah, you're down 60 freaking pounds.
Yeah, I'm fitting into every clothes I didn't fit into for years, but so there's definitely a lot of I'm not complaining, but I just I'd like to just continue to progress. I want to see results.
Absolutely. So I want you to go off your before and after photos. Honestly, I'm not going to lie. I really don't even want to change the calories then. Because what are you doing right now? 1900?
Yeah.
I would stick to 1800 is what I would be doing.
Okay.
So 1800. So I'm happy you said that you stopped doing that cardio and you're doing just the weights now. So that gave me the reason, all right, we're lifting more than we were. So that's why the scale isn't seeing huge changes. That's why I want you to throw the 150-pound goal weight out the freaking window, because you're lifting weights, building muscle, I don't even care about the scale. You don't care about the scale. Why did you want to lose weight and get healthy?
Yeah, it's true. It's just, once you set a goal in your head, you're like, I need to reach the goal. And I've just been progressing so much. So every month I've been doing like average of a 10, if you average it, it's like a 10-pound thing. So I've kind of been stalling. So you start to question, am I doing something wrong? Do I need to...
Everything you're doing is right. You're 5'5" as well. So it's not like you're 5 foot.
Yeah.
So throw the whole BMI chart out the window as well. Just go off your before and after photos. Looking at yourself in the mirror, like you said yourself, you're fitting in clothes you haven't fit into in years. You're doing what you need to do. It's working. You're losing the body fat. And now you're losing body fat and putting on that muscle without starving yourself and feeling amazing.
Yeah, and also I don't have like loose, people keep talking about loose skin. I really don't have loose skin, which is another thing that's kind of crazy. Maybe it's because I'm lifting weights. I don't know.
Though lifting the weights is a game changer with it because you're building muscle. That can help tighten up the skin and everything.
Yeah, I haven't really seen like loose skin like what everyone is talking about. So I'm like, I hope that doesn't come. But so far, so good. Yeah,
you're doing freaking amazing. What has the outside people, friends, and family been saying about what you've been doing?
God. It's been like, some people, like, I walk my dog in the park. Some people don't even recognize. It's like this one person recognized my dog, and they're like, oh, this other person walks the dog. I'm like, no, that's me.
When you tell people what you're doing, what is their reaction when it's literally so simple? What is everyone's reaction when they're like, what are you even doing?
I think the people don't believe me. They're like, are you on something? Are you on some medicine?
Did you buy a program? Like, are you doing like a program that's $500 a month? Like, what are you doing?
I was like, I'm not at all. Just go on TikTok. You'll learn a lot. No, I've been telling people that I've just been doing diet and exercise, and I'm eating a lot more. And a lot of people don't believe me.
Yeah,
I think because they keep asking me like, what?
It's freaking awesome. You're the proof of the pudding, and I can't thank you enough for starting and actually continuing day in and day out. It's very easy to drop 20 pounds, get complacent, and then go backwards.
Yeah, I'm hoping that for the winter I'll just keep sticking with it too. That's the plan. I feel so good. I'm also throwing out all my clothes that didn't fit, so now it's like I have to.
Yes. Day in and day out. And during the holidays, if you eat whatever, it's fine. Don't stress about it. Start on the next meal. I don't even need to tell you that because you're down 60 pounds. So.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. You've been really helpful in my journey.
I appreciate you. You don't understand how much it makes my day when people tell me about the results they're getting. It's what drives me to do this every single freaking day. Because every time someone calls in, I always think it's going to be that they're asking for what to do. And then when it's like, I'm down 60 pounds, I'm like, wait, what? So I appreciate you a ton. Don't get complacent and keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you so much.
You got it. Have an amazing rest of your weekend.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.